Hidden in some cliches is a fiber of truth about an overwhelming feeling, a way to express when there are no words.
For a while there it was rough, but lately I've been doing better than the last 4 cold Decembers I recall.
It's on this stage where hockey's history is remembered. A living museum of beautiful moments, with mortals who became immortal, hoisting the beautiful trophy.
Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. Don't take
This is over.
beautiful things that I've got. Please stay.
Toughest trophy to win.
I want you, I need you, oh God. Don't
It's the most beautiful trophy, the Stanley Cup.
these beautiful things that I've got.
From 32 arrived the final pair. One considered the perpetual understudy, while the other is the maverick. Both always a seat at the table, whether it's been a few years, or decades, or never. Nothing satisfies the thirst.
Please stay.
Scored! Unreal. Unbelievable. This
Stay.
is our beautiful game.
I want you, I need you, oh God.
It's the 2026 Stanley Cup Final
Need
on Sportsnet.
these beautiful things that I've got.